Just landed in Nairobi. Oh, it's the early hours of December of Christmas Day, and I'm on my way to the hotel. I've just had a long sleep in, and I am now going to head to the centre. It's Christmas Day in Nairobi, and as you can see, it is packed. And the first impressions are, this is quite nice, especially considering I don't think Nairobi is a particular tourist hotspot. You come here for safari. But unfortunately, I think that building there, that skyscraper, you can go up, but it's going to be, this is the line to get into it, I think. But I think that's the line to get to the area. So walk around, see how it is. That's the governor's house, I'm presuming. So I walked around the back of the convention centre through the car park and realised there was a back door with no queue. We're in Nairobi Tower. We've gone up for €3. And I've got to say, people do not like me filming. Lots of festivities. Hi.
You want to take a photo?
Yeah.
Puja.
Main square of the convention centre, and I've got to say this is really nice actually. This is lovely because as you can see the flags, the weather, and people are still asking to take photos with us. But I think we're going to head towards Carrefour and got the big Christmas tree that's sagging at the top.
Have one. Sure. It's away.
Huge line. Good to see you.
How cool I have that.
I've been up early this morning because I'm going to start heading towards the big one, the safari. It's now time to leave Nairobi, sit back and enjoy the ride. So I'm guessing the water has washed away the road and they are rebuilding. We're about 45 minutes from the Masai Mara, seeing zebras. But this is the grand tour. There's another down there. Well, we just stopped to see them rebuilding the road, really. We are now on our way to the hotel for a quick stop to check in. Just checked into this hotel and I've got to say this camp is really nice. Running water, Wi-Fi, it's on the edge of the Masai Mara. Some of the other guests were quite unhappy with their hotels. I'm not unhappy, I'm very happy. It's now time to get ready because in about 30 minutes I'm going to be heading back out because we're going for an evening tour of the Masai Mara.